Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuses to check in case airbag light is on your instrument cluster. The first thing and the easiest thing to do is check the fuses. If they are good, then you want to scan the system and follow up on the quotes. But it doesn't hurt to check the fuses because that's something you can do by yourself and it's easy to fix. This video should apply to Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first fuse to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. So you want to lower this cover by using like a flat screwdriver, small key or anything similar. So just pry it in and lower it down, as easy as that. On the back side you will also have a small fuse diagram, and this black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And the airbag fuse is this red 10 amp fuse located right here. And now I will show you one more fuse which is under the front hood. Second fuse will be in this fuse box right here on the driver's side. Now to remove this top cover, you will have 4 tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You want to press these tabs away from the box and lift up. You want to do that on all 4. So ideally you would use both of your hands. Okay, I was able to do it. And now actually the fuses are on the back side of this cover. Okay, and the fuse you want to check is this 10 amp red fuse in the middle. So it's actually third red fuse from the bottom. Okay, so this is the one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.